Hello student, we are studying about a basic introduction of trigonometry. What is trigonometry? It is a branch of mathematics which deals with the relation between the angles and the side of a triangle. Basically the triangle is right angle triangle. Why it is right angle triangle? Because one angle is 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle and the other two angle is the sum of the other two angle is 90 degree, because we know that the triangle property, according to triangle property, the three angles of the triangles is sum of the angles of the three side of a triangle is 180 degree. So the longest side is known as hypotenuse and the opposite of the angle is perpendicular and this is base. So let us suppose ABC is a triangle. So here hypotenuse is AC, base is BC and perpendicular is AB. So there are the various angles in which we deal is sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant and cosine. The short form is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. So the various angle value is, so sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta is base upon hypotenuse and tan theta is perpendicular by base. So we can learn by the trick known as P by H, B by H or P by B. Just as a short form, we can say for learn to trick is Pakistan bhuka pyasa, Hindustan hara bhara, or we can say that Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol. The value P by H denotes sine, the value B by H denotes cos and the value P by B denotes tan. Basically we know that also that it depends upon Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, that is h square is equals to p square plus b square, where h is hypotenuse, p is perpendicular and b is base. There are various identities in trigonometry. Let us discuss the identity. First is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Second is 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta and 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. There are the three identities which we know and we can arrange them in order. Basically about the question patterns. Now we discuss the application of trigonometry. Application of trigonometry, where to use the trigonometry and what to calculate it. Suppose there is a point A where a boy is standing and at a distance from 100 meters there is a building. So we have to find the height of this building. Let us suppose this height we can take as a x, and from the point where the boy is standing and from the top of the building we can join it, and suppose the angle made with the ground is theta. So by using the trigonometry we can find the height of the building. So how to find? Let us discuss. Sin theta is, we know that when sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, and we know that this angle makes with the ground is 90 degree. So the opposite of this angle is hypotenuse, and we also know that when there is a theta and opposite of angle, it is known as perpendicular. So we consider it is perpendicular and this distance is x and hypotenuse. So there is a way to find the value of x, and another way is cos theta. We know that cos theta is base by hypotenuse, and we know that from the boy where is standing and the foot of the building, the distance between the both them is 100 meter and hypotenuse. So also we can calculate if we know that the theta. And another example is tan theta. What is tan theta? It is perpendicular by base, and perpendicular means our distance x and base is 100. So if we know the angle, let us suppose the angle makes is 30 degree. Just for an example, so tan 30 is equals to x by 100. So x is equals to 100 tan 30. And so the value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So 100 into 1 upon root 3. So that is 100 upon root 3. So this is the height of the building. This is just an example. We can find out this line of sight. The boy which is seeing the building is known as line of sight. There are two types of application in this, just as the angle of elevation and angle of depression. If the boy is from the top of the building and seeing the another boy where the another boy is standing, so this is known as angle of depression, and this angle is known as angle of elevation. Okay, got it?